When thinking about the Bronx, people often overlook the beautiful outdoors that exist within the borough. Here at Pelham Bay Park, the largest park in New York City, the Summer of Fun Friends of Pelham Bay Park Fundraiser is hoping to get Bronxites more involved with their natural surroundings. From maintaining golf courses to housing a bird sanctuary, president of the Friends of Pelham Bay Park, Nilka Martell, works with New York Parks to make this 2,772-acre park more accessible for the community.
This in particular is a gem. When you think of parks, they're like developed spaces. Here we pride ourselves that we have a lot of wooded natural areas. We have marshes, wetlands, and just beautiful wildlife.
The summer program started last year with events including a silent disco, a roller skating night, and a drive-in movie.
When you think about the Bronx and the fact that we're down to 2 movie theaters, it's just great using the parking lot, to host a movie night.
The night's honorees included New York State Assembly member Michael Benedetto, president of the Huntington Free Library Thomas X. Casey, and co-founders of Bronx Beer Hall, Anthony Ramirez II and Paul Ramirez.
Our first thought was, wow, what a great honor, and our second thought was, that's about time.
Thomas X. Casey has given several lectures detailing the importance of the park's rich historic background.
From the Revolutionary War battles that were fought here to the naval base that was stationed here during World War I, and including the monorail went from the City Island Railroad Station to the bridge.
For Michael Benedetto, the park holds sentimental value from his younger years.
As a kid, long time ago, my mother used to walk with me to the park several days a week.
As an assembly member for the 82nd District in New York City, he proudly represents the park to his fellow assemblymen.
Up in Albany, I remember my first year there, we had an end-of-session gathering among many of the members, and everybody was supposed to bring a picture of something they're most proud of in their district. I took Pelham Bay Park, a picture of the park.
The funds from this annual Spring Gala will be used to support innovative new summer programming at Pelham Bay Park. Reporting for BronxNet, Jericho Tran.